Let's carve a pumpkin. I know that you have seen those photo shoots with a pumpkin on their head. It's mostly couples, but it is so, so cute. I've never carved a pumpkin before. I've just like scooped out its guts, and I've also painted pumpkins, but I've never actually like carved a pumpkin. So we're gonna see. Let's get right into it. Most of the time my dad steals the pumpkin away from me, and then I can't do anything with it. So I am hiding in my bathroom so that he cannot take it away from me. He's also not home right now, but he's about to be. And I don't want him to be like, oh, you're doing it wrong, you're gonna fuck it up. It's my pumpkin, I can do whatever the hell I want with it. And it's pretty dirty, so I'm just going in with a baby wipe because I don't feel like actually scrubbing it down. And this is working. Honestly, this isn't a huge pumpkin, and I have a pretty big head. But looking at it from here, it looks like it's gonna be big enough. And I measured my head with this thing, put it around my head, and then I got a bowl that was a little bit bigger than my head, and it fits on quite nicely if I don't break it. And then I'm gonna put this on the bottom of the pumpkin and cut around it, so then it'll fit over my head. That is my plan. I don't know how it's gonna go though. For this setup, you're gonna have to turn into Dexter for a little bit. I cut a garbage bag in half to like make a little mini tarp. And then over here, we have a little scoopy thing. And then we have a bunch of cutty things from TikTok Shop. So I hope that these will be helpful. And nobody in my house likes pumpkin, but I Googled and pumpkin is okay for dogs. I knew that cooked pumpkin was, but so is raw pumpkin in moderation, just like given as a little treat or something. So I have another trash bag and I'm gonna fill up all the pumpkin guts in here. And I might cook up some, I'm not sure, but I don't want it to go to waste. And I know I'm not gonna eat it, but I have two tiny little dogs that will munch away. But I am gonna be carving for quite a while. I wanna do like a pretty intricate design. So I think I'm gonna go get a snack and then we'll be back because we're gonna be put to work. So my first kit comes with one large rubber glove, one small rubber glove, one child size scooper thingy, and one adult size scooper thingy. Honestly, the child one fits me, but this one is bigger, so we'll get more scoopage with this. And then it also comes with these two different size cutty things. And then the second kit comes in this gorgeous box. And then she has this really heavy duty case with like individual little bitty bits for it to go in. Oh yeah. Then we have a bunch of stencils that you just like tape onto your pumpkin and then like cut it. We might have to use these. And then we have a bunch of really heavy duty tools. And they have like a cute little pumpkin on them too. Let's get our bag all ready to collect our pumpkin guts. So I got it in the bowl. I'm just gonna take this sharp tool and I'm going to sketch around the bowl and then we're gonna cut it. Yeah, that's kind of making a line. But it's gonna cut like a lot off of the bottom. I don't know, it's gonna be like flat on the bottom. But I have a big head, so we're just gonna have to make it work. I think I made it all the way around the bowl. Oh, it looks like it. Awesome. Now we gotta cut it off. I'm gonna go in with this one. It looks really, really good to cut. And then I just got my pumpkin on its side and I'm gonna follow that line that I made. I guess just stab into it. Oh, that is a lot easier than I thought it was gonna be. Okay, let's speed this up. I've got the hang of it. I'm almost done. I'm almost done. Oh! Ew! Okay, there's like barely any guts in there. And it smells kind of bad. It doesn't look rotted or anything though. Why is there like nothing in there? Okay, that was anticlimactic. Okay, I got my scooper glove on, so we're gonna see how easy this is to scoop out. Oh, ew, okay, I definitely need gloves. Ew, this is disgusting. Ooh, inside of the pumpkin itself, it's really easy to get out of. I saw some ants coming, so I made sure there was no ants in my bag, and then I bagged it up and put it in the fridge for the dogs. I'm gonna finish getting all the guts out with this tool right here, because I think that would be a bit easier than the glove. Oh yeah, do you see this? That's coming off like butter. But if I don't take off this extra gunk, then it's just gonna attract more ants. And I don't think that white part is good for dogs, so I'm just gonna throw all of this away, just for safety. I think I'm done. Well, not done, but done with scooping everything out. I did a pretty good job. And then this part over here. So I went through all of the stencils and I liked this mouth the best, but I want to do some heart eyes. So I'm gonna cut them out myself and then tape it onto the pumpkin and then go from there. I'm just gonna cut this out and then cut some hearts out of this. We have these two matching hearts and then we have this mouth. And I'm gonna tape it all on there and then start like cutting around it and then take it off and then finish carving it. That should work. That's what the instructions say, kind of. I got everything all taped in place, so I'm gonna take my little stabby tool again and then just stab all around it. I'm just gonna do exactly what I did for the hole at the bottom. I've got the eyes done, so let's see if we have two little hearts. Oh yeah. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but I can see it. That will be a good outline for me. Okay, that'll work. And now we gotta dot in the little mouth. Well, the big mouth. I just finished poking the mouth, so let's see how that turned out. Okay. That looks good. That looks great. I think I'm gonna use this curvy tool for the eyes. I don't know. Let's see how this goes. Shove it. Ooh, I don't think that's the right move. I think I'm just gonna carve it out. Maybe with this little mini carver? Oh yeah, that's way easier. Just make our way around. We got the first eyeball. Okay, that's looking pretty good. The second eye and the mouth. This looks awesome. I'm gonna clean it up a bit and then we'll do the finishing touches. My light decided to stop working, but here is my pumpkin. Look at how cute it is. And out of one of the heart eyes, I made it a tongue. So I think I'm gonna take a push pin and kind of like connect it to the mouth somehow. The people that I've seen doing this are like using screws and stuff, but I feel like a push pin should work, maybe. I don't know, I think I made it thin enough. The pin situation didn't really work, but it's able to just like sit there. And it's so cute. But I'm gonna clean this up, then go eat dinner, go change into some pumpkin attire. Oh, my tongue fell. And then we're gonna go do a photo shoot. And it should fit on my head. I don't really wanna test it out because I'm gonna put like a bag on my head and stuff because I don't want pumpkin guts all over me. But I did a pretty good job at carving out the inside. Those tools are amazing. This looks great. See? So here is the fit. We have this gorgeous pumpkin sweater. We have this stunning skirt. And this really cute little bag. Look at these shoes that I'm gonna put with it. Absolutely gorgeous. They are all from TikTok shop, and I'll have them all linked in the description box down below. Also, these nails are from TikTok shop. Look at how gorgeous. They're like aquarium Halloween nails. They're so pretty. I want to protect my hair from the pumpkin, so I have this black trash bag that I'm hoping will cover up my face so you can't like see anything. And of course protect my hair. And then I'm gonna cut some eye holes and a mouth hole so that I don't suffocate myself. I can't really see, but it is fine. And hopefully it'll protect my sweater a little bit. I don't know. And it's black, so you shouldn't really see it on camera. Let's find out. By the way, I added on a toothpick to the tongue, so it is not going anywhere, which I am very glad about. So I got my whole little filming setup all ready, well, to take pictures. So yeah, all I need to do is put the bag over my head and then put that on my head. I got the bag over my head. So now, and my phone just fell with the tripod. Awesome. I got the bag kind of secured on my head, so we're gonna see if this pumpkin will fit. Hopefully it does. Oh, it's kind of tight. Oh, wait, okay, that works. Let's take some pictures before I pass out. Oh, I can't breathe.
But look at how good these pictures turned out. That's with no editing or anything. Okay, Apple, but you could totally find these pictures on my Instagram if you're interested. Shameless plug. I really love how this look turned out though, and I make a ton of really cool posts, so you should totally go follow me.
Okay. Oh. That pumpkin is a lot heavier than I thought it was gonna be. Oh, I'm sweating. Those pictures turned out amazing, but I think I want to get some close-up pictures to show off my nails and all that, like that next to the pumpkin. Oh yeah. And I want to make some TikTok videos. I think I might just make like one long video and then like make a bunch of different clips of it. But I really like how this turned out, so I want to post it a bunch. But it's really, really hot in there, so I want to be fast about this. I want to keep taking pictures and stuff, but I think I have to be done because this is really, really uncomfortable. And it's really sweaty, and it's hard to do anything. It was a lot easier than what I thought it was going to be, but it also took me like 2 or 3 hours, but I'm a perfectionist. You probably can't hear me, but okay, my vision's like going really dark, so this needs to come off. Whew. Whoa, I'm sweaty. And it's like, I want to say 70 degrees out right now, so it's not too insanely hot, but just inside of that plastic bag and inside of that pumpkin, holy crap. If you do this, please be careful, because whew. And I really hope none of my neighbors are outside right now, because they probably think I'm crazy, but that's okay. I really want to get another pumpkin and then like put my Yorkie inside of it. Maybe that's horrible, but I saw some pictures of dogs inside of pumpkins and now I'm inspired. I wish I could find a pumpkin big enough for Cooper to fit inside of. I probably could, but I feel like that would be a lot of hard work. We're getting pretty close to Halloween, so I feel like all the pumpkins are gonna be sold out. But I do definitely want to try to find one for Maggie, because look at how tiny she is. She's a little toy Yorkie and she's about 7 pounds. She could fit right inside of a pumpkin. So I need to get one that's big enough and then shove her inside of it. She's not gonna like it, but the pictures are gonna be so cute. And she needs a bath anyway. That'll be a good excuse. So if you want to see me carve up another pumpkin to put my dog inside of, then please let me know, because I'll definitely do it. I'll be on the hunt for a pumpkin. And if this tutorial was helpful, then also please, please, please let me know, because honestly, there's not too many tutorials on how to put it over your head. Because I wasn't sure on how to measure my head, but I mean, it's pretty obvious, just like measure your head, and then the bowl. You need to get a bowl. I didn't do a great job, but it turned out pretty good. I should have had a bigger pumpkin because of how big my head is, but it's okay. That's why I filmed it, so you can learn from my mistakes. And I'm talking with my hands a lot more because of these nails. I'm so happy with these. I'm so happy with these. I'm so happy how this entire look turned out. Keep an eye out for products that you like that I open, because I am going to be doing a giveaway once I hit 1K. So make sure to subscribe and just keep an eye out. All the products will be linked down below. All of my social medias will be linked down below. Everything you could possibly need. But please be sure to like and subscribe. I love you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a great day, have a great life, and keep watching my videos. Love you guys. Bye-bye.
It's raining time.